Hi, in part one we showed you the fishing boat that we found, and today in part two we'll carry on and show you what we've gotten up to. Let's get to it. Getting the water out manually at the moment. We'll be really grateful when we buy the electric bilge pump. So it's all fun, part of the process, that's it. So we've decided to order a new automatic bilge pump, and we were very excited to get this installed.
Hey,
Electric start.
Stark. Results. Our boat pump is working. Because we cleaned out the boat. So now we need to pump out the water. Here's the pump. Oh, it's working. Morning. It's a really nice morning. Really quiet. High tide now. Water's not really high, but it's better than yesterday where we didn't have any water. Now we could actually fill our bin so that we can use the pressure washer to clean the boat. I think it's going to be a hot one again today. I wish it could stay just like this at this moment. It's going to get hotter. Here you guys. See you later.
I really do like the shape of this little fishing boat, and I was playing with the idea of making it look unique. So my thought was that something's missing to complete the shape. So I thought to play around with some ideas. Boom. Yes. So I decided to fit a roof onto the boat, and I have created a video that I'll load up soon, how I decided to use a car roof to fit on the boat, and I think it came out quite well. I really like the shape of the boat right now, where the roof really feels like it's complementing the shape of the boat. Once all the glass is fitted and the boat has been color changed, maybe I think it would be something really unique, and that's what my idea is, to make it stand out, make it unique. It's a project boat, so I always say that, you know, when you're doing a project, try something new, try something different. Why not? And if it works, great. If it doesn't work, you go back to the drawing board and redo it. So here I'm busy bringing the boat to take it out of the water, because we've decided to take the boat into a boatyard to do the work much easier. So more of that in the next one. Thank you for joining me. Please like, follow, subscribe, and share with everyone.